Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so you can act fast. First, check your iPhone model and iOS version in Settings. Updates change notification behavior. Once done, verify focus or do not disturb aren't blocking iMessage sounds or banners, and disable any scheduled rules. Restart the phone to clear transient glitches, then send a test iMessage to yourself or ask a friend. If a message appears silently, you've isolated the issue. Otherwise, proceed to adjust per conversation and global notification settings next. Now dive into the settings that control how iMessage notifies you. Open Settings, go to Notifications, tap Messages and ensure Allow Notifications is on. Pick Lock Screen, Notification Center and Banners, and set banner style to persistent so alerts remain visible. In the Messages app, open any conversation, tap the contact or group name, and confirm Hide Alerts is off. Make sure sounds and badges are enabled. Once configured, test again. If you still miss alerts, check focus filters and app-specific permissions. Finish with deeper fixes that resolve persistent problems. Sign out of Messages by going to Settings, Messages, Send and Receive, tap your Apple ID and sign out, then sign back in to refresh iMessage registration. If notifications still misbehave, reset network settings to clear Wi-Fi and carrier glitches. This won't erase data but will require re-entering passwords. Finally, update iOS to the latest version. Key troubleshooting tip: if none of this works, back up and test on another device or contact Apple support for account-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.